Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get it started. Right now we have denominators cube root 36, cube root 18, cube root 3. I want to convert or make our denominators same. So I need to multiply here in the numerator and denominator by 2. 18 times 2 will give us 36, and here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 12 because 3 times 12 is 36. Now we can cancel our denominators. Let me write here cube root x plus 3 over 36 plus cube root 2x plus 12 over 36 equal to cube root 12 times x plus 5 over 36. Now we will multiply both sides by cube root 36. So we can cancel our common denominator cube root 36. So equation will become cube root of x plus 3 plus cube root of 2x plus 12 equal to cube root of 12 times x plus 5. Now I can factor 12 as 3 times 4 or 4 times 3. Let me write cube root of x plus 3 plus cube root of 2x plus 12 equal to cube root of 4 times 3 times x plus 5. Now I will consider our substitutions. Let's say radicand x plus 3 equal to a cube, radicand 2x plus 12 equal to b cube. Let me write our equation here. Now we will consider our substitution x plus 3 equal to a cube and 2x plus 12 equal to b cube. Let us calculate the value of a cube plus b cube. So I can write a cube is x plus 3, b cube is 2x plus 12. So x plus 2x is 3x, 3 plus 12 is 15. Once I will take 3 common out, we will get x plus 5 in the bracket. Now you can see here. Here we will write this is a cube plus b cube. So our equation we will write as cube root of a cube plus cube root of b cube equal to cube root of 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now cube and cube root will be over from our LHS. So I can write our equation a plus b equal to cube root of 4 times in the bracket a cube plus b cube. Let me write here a plus b equal to cube root of 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now we will consider cubing both sides. So power 3 and this side also I will put power 3. Now cube root and cube will be cancelled out from RHS. We will get our equation a plus b whole cube. This will be equal to 4 times a cube plus b cube. Now we will apply a plus b whole cube formula here. So we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b, and RHS will be 4a cube plus 4b cube. Now I will take all the terms to RHS. So 4a cube minus a cube, we can write 3a cube. 4b cube minus b cube, we can write plus 3b cube. Then I will write minus of 3 times ab, a plus b equal to 0. Now equation is divisible by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. So we can write our equation a cube plus b cube minus ab, a plus b equal to 0. Let me write here a cube plus b cube minus ab, a plus b equal to 0. Now I will add and subtract 3ab, a plus b. So I will write here plus 3ab times a plus b. So I will subtract the same, minus 3ab, a plus b in LHS. Now I will consider these 3 terms all together and remaining 2 terms in other bracket. So we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Then we will write here minus ab, a plus b, minus 3ab, a plus b. We can write minus 4ab, a plus b equal to 0. Now this is one algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube. So I can write a plus b whole cube minus 4ab, a plus b equal to 0. We can take a plus b common out. So a plus b is common. Here we will be writing a plus b whole square, and here we will write minus 4ab equal to 0. So I can write our equation a plus b times. Let us expand. I will write a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then we have minus 2ab equal to 0. Then we can write a plus b times a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 0. This is again one formula, a minus b whole square. So we can write a plus b times a minus b whole square equal to 0. Now we can apply product 0 rule. Either a plus b equal to 0 or a minus b whole square equal to 0. So from our first equation we will be getting a equal to minus b. And from second equation we will be getting a equal to b. I will cube both sides. I can write a cube will be equal to minus of b cube. Here also we can write a cube will be equal to b cube. Now if you remember, a cube was x plus 3 and b cube was 2x plus 12. So I will solve here. I will write in place of a cube we will write x plus 3. In place of b cube we will write 2x plus 12 and minus sign will be there. Now I can write x plus 3 equal to minus 2x minus 12, or we can write 3x will be equal to minus 15. Now we will divide both sides by 3. We will get x equal to negative 5. Our first real solution. Now we will solve. this equation. A cube equal to B cube, where A cube is x plus 3, B cube is 2x plus 12. Let me write here A cube equal to B cube. So here we'll write x plus 3 in LHS. RHS will be 2x plus 12. Now I will take x to the RHS, 12 to the LHS. So we can write 3 minus 12 equal to 2x minus x. LHS will be minus 9, RHS is x. So our second real solution would be x equal to negative 9. So we have two real solutions, negative 5 and negative 9. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.